We're going to get to the Photoshop preferences, but just like Illustrator, I want to help you learn a little bit more about Photoshop as we work through this. Now, I'm sure you recognize this from the last mission in the Illustrator column, and I talked about how easy this was to create in Photoshop in combination with Illustrator. Now, a cool Photoshop trick. I'm going to click on the visibility here and hold Option. When I hold Option and click, it turns all the other layers. It doesn't matter how many layers there are, it turns them all off. And if I don't do anything else in between then and now and Option click it again, it turns everything that was on back on again. Sometimes I'll have dozens of layers, some of them not visible, and I want to compare something, but I don't want to lose track of what was visible, what was hidden, and this is a great way to do it. Option click. Now, when I option click to show you this, everything else is off, and you notice, see these checkerboards? That means this is transparency. All that's here is black and nothing. This was generated in Illustrator, and actually the only thing I had to do was from here to here, and then I copied this, rotated it 90 degrees and or 180 degrees and or flipped it horizontally. It depends. It all achieves the same result. And then eliminated, deleted the duplicate here, and then copied and pasted it in as a smart object. You're going to learn and love smart objects. And then with the background layer, which by default, just like Illustrator, there's white there. Well, in Photoshop, it's not simulated white, it's real white. So that's one of the real big differences right from the get-go that you're going to learn about, you're going to learn more about. And all I did was made a copy of this layer and rotated that copy 90 degrees and changed the blend mode from normal to difference. And that result, bam, wow, how quick was that? I think you can see when I said it took 5 minutes, I think you can kind of see he wasn't lying. And if I practiced, I could probably get it under 2. And then I made a copy of that, of everything that's visible on another layer and inversed it. So see, black in the center, white in the center. Look around. Which one do you like better? Everyone's different. It's exactly the same image, only black and whites are swapped out. That's how easy it is when these two programs work together. All by themselves, not going to happen. Okay, I'm going to come back and we'll go through those preferences.